In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the primary field in Airtable. Whether you're just getting started or looking to customize your database as your needs evolve, managing the primary field is a key skill. It's the very first step in ensuring your data is organized and easily accessible. So let's dive right into it. First, let's begin by opening your Airtable base. Now, this is just a fancy way of saying that you need to go to the Airtable website or open the app where you've created your tables. Once you've logged in, navigate to the specific table you want to edit. This is the workspace where all your data is stored and where the magic of Airtable happens. Next, it's important to locate the first column. This column is known as the primary field. You might be wondering, what exactly makes this field so special? Well, it's typically the far left column on your table, and it serves an essential purpose. This is where you'll often find record names, titles, IDs, or other main identifiers of your entries. This is because the primary field is what Airtable uses to uniquely identify each record, so it's crucial to choose its content wisely. Once you've identified the primary field, look closely at the top of that column for a small drop-down arrow next to the field name. Clicking on this arrow reveals a couple of options for you. You're looking for options like Customize Field or Edit Field. This is where you get the power to make changes to the primary field, tailoring it exactly to your needs or preferences. Now that you're in edit mode, the primary task is to rename the primary field. This is where you can really make the database your own. What you type here should clearly represent the kind of data the field holds. Perhaps you're managing contacts, in which case you might call it customer name. For project management, you could opt for project title. If you're tracking sales leads, lead ID might be more appropriate. Or maybe you're cataloging a collection, where product name would fit perfectly. These names are not just labels, they make navigating and using your Airtable base intuitive and efficient. By giving your primary field a clear and descriptive name, you're taking a critical step in optimizing your data organization. It's about ensuring anyone who's accessing the table, including you in the future, understands at a glance what each record represents. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to change the primary field in Airtable. This simple yet powerful customization helps maintain order and clarity in your database. Remember, small changes like this can make a big difference in how effectively you manage your data. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any more questions about Airtable, feel free to explore further or watch related videos. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing!